are going to go into our extension exercises. So I like to have my pubic bone protector or a little pad on my arc. So grab your little pad, and we're going to go off the front or the large arc part of the Pilates arc. You're going to hop on and set yourself up in full extension. So what we're doing is Swan Dive, and we're going to do it with a full rock. So separate the legs, point the toes, lift them high. Arms are under your shoulders or a little in front, and reach your sternum out and away, looking across the horizon. All you're going to do is bend the elbows, keep your shape, reach the toes to the sky, and then come on up. Good. And again, abs are up and in, rock it forward, and come on up. And again, reach out and rock. This is your third time, and come on up. And bend those elbows, reach the toes up, and extend. Feel the sternum reach a little more forward. Let's just do 2 more. Rock, and come on up. And 1 more time. Rock, and come on up. Nice. All right, let's shift off and just rest our back and go into a little child's pose for a moment. Get a little stretch, breathe into your lower back, because we are going to go right back up and do Grasshopper. Okay, so click, click, click. We're going to start a fire with our legs here, kids. Hop on. Again, about the same position you are in same start position as Swan. Toes are out, reach the head out, open the chest. You're going to bend the elbows. You're going to click your right ankle behind your left. Click and then change. Click and then change. Click. Reach the legs out, lift the thighs a little higher, and come back up. Now we're going to go left, right, left. Bend the elbows, and now left behind the right. Click and click and click. Reach and come up. And try and give yourself a little staccato movement while you do it. Bend down and don't let the knees drop. Click, click, click. Reach and up. And again. And left, right, left. Reach. 1 more time each side. Bend it down. And right, left, right. Reach. And up. Last set. And left, right, left. Reach it out. And up. Wonderful. Alrighty, let's come off again and do a little stretch. Breathe, let your back rest. And now we are going to go and do our some spinal extension. You can do this with a friend, so you can have someone hold your ankles if you can. Otherwise, you can do it on your own. All right. So let's actually go ahead and flip our arc around so we can bend and extend on here. So flip around so that the big slope is by you. And you're going to have your pubic bone protector on again. And then you're going to put your pelvis back on top. Knees are bent right now. And your hands are at your forehead. Tuck your toes under. Deep inhale. As you exhale, you're going to straighten the legs and reach out into an extension with your spine. And then go back down. Again, inhale. Exhale. Toes are tucked. Squeeze the glutes. Reach out and extend. Keep the abs up and in. And go back down. And again, inhale. Exhale. Reach out and extend. And come back down. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Reach out and extend. And come back down. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Reach out and extend. And come back down. I'm sure that felt fabulous. Let's come off into child's pose. All right. Now we're going to add a little rotation with that. So set yourself back up. Your hands are going to be back at your forehead and you're rounded. Deep breath. Tuck those toes under. Exhale. Come up into one long line. And now you're going to twist to one side and come back center. And now you're going to twist to the other side and come back center and lower down. Let's do it again. Inhale. Exhale, shoot out to one long line, twist to one side and center, twist to the other side and center, and go back down. Let's do it again. Shoot out and twist to one side, come back center, and twist to the other side, come back center, and go down. Last one like this, shoot out and twist and center, and twist and center, and go back down. Come back off and go into a little bit of a child's pose here. So that was gorgeous. Now we're going to get fancy because it's level 3, remember. So now we're going to shoot to one long line. We're going to twist to one side and simultaneously extend all the way up and reach back towards your thigh. Okay? So let's come out of your stretch and sit your pelvis right back up onto your arc. Hands are at your forehead, you're rounded forward. Here we go. And shoot to one long line. Now you're going to twist to one side, reach out and extend and touch to your thigh. Come back down and untwist. And again, shoot back out. Twist to the other side. Reach the arm up and out. Reach to your thigh. Come back and untwist and lower down. Let's go again. Shoot out, rotate and reach. Come back down and lower. And again, shoot out, rotate and reach. Come back down and lower. One more time each side. Shoot out, rotate and reach. Come back down and lower. Last one, you can do it. Shoot out, rotate and reach, come back down and lower. Woohoo! All right, reversing all of our computer work with that one. Go ahead, shift back and rest. Fantastic. We are moving into some exercises on all fours and out into planks. So we can get rid of our pubic bone protector, put that off to the side, and we're going to use the high part of the barrel. You can choose a couple placements with your hands. You can grab onto the outside of the barrel. This is particularly good if you have some wrist issues. Or you can place your hands over top and reach down. Sometimes if you slide, you can have a little sticky mat there. That way your hands don't get too smashed. For people who have issues with their wrists or a little inflammation in their wrists, that's a really great thing, and you can still do some fantastic exercises on your hands. Okay, we are going to just start quadruped, and we're going to do quadruped to a plank. So pick your hand position, stabilize your shoulders, reach your hands out and down. Now you're going to bring your legs all the way together. Hips distance apart. Tuck your toes under. Take a big inhale and exhale. Shoot to one long line. And now bend back down. We'll just do a few of these to get warmed up here. Exhale. Shoot to one long line and come back down. And again. 3. 2 more like this. 4. 1 more because it's a good time. 5. And go back down. Next thing we're going to do is some planks to pike or pike to plank. So shoot out to one long line again. Now shift back so that you're reaching your tush to the sky. And then go back forward so you're in one long line like a battering ram. Shift back, tush to the sky, and go back forward. 2. Inhale back, exhale forward. 3. Inhale back, and 4. Inhale back. 1 more. 5. Good. Drop down. Let's go to child's pose. Take a little break on those arms. Reach the palms up to the sky.